In today's video, I will be showing you how to remove a previously installed Windows 10 update. So if you've just recently done a Windows 10 update on your computer, and if you have noticed you've been having issues on your PC since you have installed that update, then the good news is you can actually remove it. As long as the update wasn't installed too long ago, this can be removed from your PC. Before removing a Windows 10 update though, it might be worth backing up any important data just in case. But to do this, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and right click on the Start menu icon. Then go on to Settings. You now need to go on to Update and Security. And you now need to click on View Update History. Underneath View Update History, go ahead and click on Uninstall Updates. You now need to select the update that you would like to remove, so it's more than likely going to be the most previous update. So I'll go ahead and click on this one here. Then you need to go ahead and click on Uninstall. You'll now have a warning message saying, are you sure you want to uninstall this update? So go ahead and press yes, and it'll begin to remove it from your PC. You may then get a message popping up asking you to restart your computer, so you would just simply go ahead and press on Restart Now. If you don't get that message, it might just be worth restarting your PC anyway. But that's it for this video. I hope this tutorial did help you. If it did, hit that like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.